Good morning, class. Welcome back. So, in last lectures, what I have taught, I think you all remember. So, in poem books, I have given question answer, but some student has informed that book exercises we have not done. So, first we will complete the book exercises of that poem book and Ivan's story. I have given book exercises also in PDF, and after that we will complete this. A rupee goes a long way. This I have explained yesterday. So today we will complete that also. Book exercises only. Okay. So here just open page number 11. This is the exercise of book. Open page number 11. Page number 11 in your English 2 book. Okay. So here exercise A. Circle the words that rhyme with the highlighted words. Then add another word of your own. So here in number 1 books. Cooks, looks, number 2 away, play, number 3 lovers, covers, towers, and number 4 end, friends, send, and number 5 chair and there. These you have to circle, and after that you will write only one more word with the matching of these rhyming words. It can be hook, shook, hook, shook, like this only. Chair, there, care. So like this only you will write your own word. Okay, so do it fast. I hope you all can say this. In first books, it has written, wait. Here written books. Books, cooks, looks, away, play, lover, covers, towers, and friends, send, chair, there. So I hope you all have done, and write here one rhyming word with matching of these words. Okay. So now here exercise number B. Just see here, match these words with their meaning. So I will tell you the numbers with which here 5 number here given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points here given. So which is the correct one? You will write here numbers. Okay. So idea. Just see here. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here number not given, so I will write here. In this way I will tell you which number you will write. So number 1 idea. So here number 1 you will write. Okay, it means here you will write number 1. A plan idea means a plans, thoughts or suggestions. Okay. So this is number 1. Here sentences given. I am writing here A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So here number 1, B is number 1. And now number 2, fancies. So here number 2 is E, wishes and dreams. Fancies means wishes and dreams. Number 3, imagination. Number 3 is imagination. So the ability to create pictures in the mind. So here D is number 3. Now wonder. A feeling of surprise and admiration. So here A number 4. Number 4. So number 5 inspiration. So here number 5 a person or thing that is the reason behind a creation. So here number 5. The numbers should be like this: 4, 1, 5, 3, 2. Okay, 4, 1, 5, 3, 2. Don't match, just write down numbers. Just do it fast. And after doing this, just after completed it, just open page number 30 in your book. This I think you all have done. Now open page number 30 in your book. Page number 30. In this chapter, a rupee goes a long way, given here on page number 29, true or not true given, and you have to correct the sentence also. So with the question answer of a rupee goes a long way, I will send true and not true also. So we will start writing page number 30. Open page number 30 now. Page number 30. Okay, so here exercise. Page number 30, this exercise A. Complete this paragraph with the correct form of the verbs in the bracket. So here in bracket words given, okay, verbs given, you have to correct that. So number 1. Here wait and are given. So in number 1 only, which places are blank? Just write here will, take. Where blank, this is just see. In number 1, 1, 2 given. So we will start writing from here. Take given, expect given. So we will start writing here. So will take, and next one is expected. Expected. Okay. And next line will great. Will great. And here keep only. Now number 2. In first write met. Here only in second write were. Next line were discussing. Were discussing. And third line said. And next had. I hope this you all have done. Had. Line wise I am writing. And number 4, dropped out. And in this only one more given, don't know. Don't know. And last line given, will select. Will select. Okay, so complete it. Complete it fast. Page number 30. Here exercise, this exercise we are doing, page number 30. So in this way, line wise I have written. In first line, 3 sentences are there, but number 1 already done, so number 2 and number 3 I have written. Number second 5 sentences are there. The answer I have written like that only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so do it fast. Do fast. Do fast, class. So after that, page number, after this exercise, open page number 31. Just complete it fast. Will take, expected, will great, keep, met, were discussing, said, had, dropped out, and then don't know, will select. Just do it fast. I hope you all have completed. So now I will erase it, and after that page number, next page number. Now next page number 31. Page number 31. Open everyone, page number 31. This exercise B, page number 31. Okay. B, exercise B. You have use has, have been plus the ing form of the verbs in brackets to complete these sentences. Number 4 and 5 are questions. So here 5 sentences have given and number 1 already done. So here 2, 3, 4, 5 we have to write. So what you can do, just take one page and write down answer there only and paste that page here. So take one page and write answers there only. Okay. Here page number 31, exercise B, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will write only answer. You also just write on page number and exercise B and write answer and paste the page here only. I am writing here answer. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2, just do. I hope you all are writing. Vinod play with the puzzle for an hour. Clearly he likes it. So what will be the answer? I am writing. Vinod has been playing. Vinod has been playing with that puzzle for an hour. Full stop. Clearly he likes it. Vinod has been playing with that puzzle for an hour. Clearly he likes it. Now number 3. Number 3. She has been collecting stamps since she was 5. Since she was 5. Full stop. She has a really big collection. I hope you all can see this. You all are writing also. So these are the 5 sentences. Do it fast. Number 1 is, I hope you all can see this. I hope you all can see this. Number 1 is, Vinod has been playing with that puzzle for an hour. Clearly he likes it. She has been collecting stamps since she was 5. She has a really big collection. Have you been working in the garden? No wonder you are covered in mud. Number 5. Has Prem been going to music class? He plays the piano very well. So these are the 5 sentences. Do it fast. Complete it fast. Do fast, class. This listening and writing part has also given, that we will not do. Okay. Do fast. I think you all have completed. So here number 1, sentence number 2. Arm raising. Sentence number 2 and 3. Arm raising. Sentence number 2 and 3. I think you all have done. So now page number. Now we will do page number 32. Page number 32. Last exercise, page number 32. Okay, so answer I am writing here. The number 1 answer is turn her back on. Number 2, cut out to be. Cut out to be. Number 3, make up my mind. Number 4, is in high spirit. Number 5 is fell on deaf ears. Fell on deaf ears. Okay, after page number 31, just do page number 32. Number 1 is turn her back on. Number 2 is cut out to be. Number 3 is made up my mind. Is in high spirit. Number 4. Number 5 is fell on deaf ears. So complete. And this listening and writing part we will not do. Listening and writing part we will not do. Do fast. This is the last exercise. I hope you all have done. Just do it fast. Okay, so class, I think you all have done. Class, I think you all have done. So now, this in chapter number 3, a rupee goes a long way, true and not true left. So I will give with the question answer. Okay, so don't worry for that. And listening and writing part we will not do in book. Okay, so for today, I think this much you all have completed. For today, this much only. Have a good